Hello friends, and welcome back to Mysterious Tales X. Have you ever imagined a planet where one single day is longer than an entire year? A world where the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. A planet that defies every law of logic and even rotates backwards. That planet is Venus. Yes, our neighboring planet, often called Earth's twin because of its size and composition, is one of the most mysterious worlds in the entire solar system. But beneath its thick clouds of acid and blazing heat, Venus hides a secret that has puzzled scientists for decades. Why does Venus spin the wrong way? To put that into perspective, if you were standing on Venus, you'd experience a sunrise once every 4 months. And by the time the sun sets, almost half a year would have passed on Earth. But what's even stranger, Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most planets, including Earth. So while we spin counterclockwise, Venus slowly drifts clockwise. It's like the entire planet decided to rebel against the rest of the solar system. So what exactly happened? Why is Venus moving in reverse? And why so painfully slow? Let's dive deep into this cosmic mystery. Billions of years ago, when the solar system was still forming, all the planets were spinning in the same direction. The direction inherited from the swirling disk of gas and dust around the young sun. But somewhere in that chaotic early history, something changed for Venus. One leading theory says that Venus was struck by a massive asteroid or protoplanet, a collision so powerful that it flipped the planet's rotation completely. It's the same kind of cataclysm that likely created Earth's moon. But in Venus's case, the impact didn't make a moon. It simply turned the planet upside down. Imagine a cosmic billiard ball getting hit so hard that it starts spinning the other way. That's one possibility. But there's another theory, one that's even more mysterious. According to some scientists, Venus might have never been hit at all. Instead, over billions of years, the thick atmosphere of Venus, which is 90 times denser than Earth's, could have slowed down its rotation due to something called tidal locking and solar torque. The sun's gravitational pull may have tugged at Venus's dense clouds again and again, gradually slowing its spin until it nearly stopped. And then, perhaps due to internal processes in the planet's molten core, it started rotating the other way. It's as if time itself reversed direction on Venus. Now, here's where things get even stranger. When scientists used radar to map Venus's surface, they found mountains, volcanoes, and plains that seem younger than they should be. Some believe Venus's entire surface was melted and rebuilt just a few 100 million years ago. It's as if the planet rebooted itself, a planetary reset button pressed by nature. Could that catastrophic resurfacing event have also triggered its reversed rotation? Could massive internal energy bursts or planetary quakes have flipped Venus's spin from within? We don't know. Even today, space agencies are sending missions like NASA's Veritas and Da Vinci Plus to uncover the truth about Venus, to study its volcanoes, its atmosphere, and maybe find out why this planet seems so wrong. Some scientists even suggest that Venus might have once been habitable, with oceans, rain, and a blue sky billions of years ago, before something went terribly wrong. Maybe that's when the planet flipped, a moment of cosmic chaos that turned paradise into hell. Today, Venus is a furnace with temperatures hot enough to melt lead, and clouds of sulfuric acid that reflect sunlight like a mirror. But behind that deadly beauty lies a haunting question. Was Venus once like Earth before fate decided to reverse its spin and erase its history? Every time we look at Venus shining so brightly in our sky, it's easy to forget how alien it truly is. A world spinning backward, defying the rhythm of the cosmos. A silent reminder that even the universe's most perfect systems can twist into the unexpected. So, what do you think? Was Venus flipped by a cosmic collision? Or did the planet itself decide to change its direction over time? Let me know your theory in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to Mysterious Tales X. Because here, every week, we uncover the secrets that science still can't explain and explore the wonders hidden in the stars.